Watch your favorite movies in stunning quality with this Sanyo FWBP505F Blu-ray player. It features an ultra-slim design with a sleek look and fits into most any entertainment center. The Sanyo Blu-ray DVD player's full HD resolution of 1080p allows you to enjoy films with rich visuals and in incredible detail. The unit can also play movies from a USB drive, so you can keep your media library in a more portable form. This model includes a remote control for simpler operation. It supports Dolby True HD (DTS) sound for clearer and more immersive audio. The player has an HDMI port for connecting to a TV. The Parental Lock feature allows you to restrict your children from watching adult content.